So we are in 22A, question number 16, 3 cos A is equal to 4 sin A, and we have to find out two values. First we'll find out sin, cos A. So sin A is here, cos A will come here 3 by 4, and cosine by cos is tan A, and as you know tan theta is equal to P by B, so we'll consider P is equal to 3K, B is equal to 4K. H will come out as 5K, so if you have to find out cos A will be B by H. So B is how much? 4K by 5K, it will come out as 4 by 5. And second part of the question is 3 minus cot square A, 3 minus cot square A plus cosec square A. So it will be 3 minus cot is B by P, 4K by 3K whole square plus cosec is H by P. So H is given 5K by P is 3K whole square. So it will be simply 3 minus 16 by 9 plus 25 by 9. That is equal to, if 9 is taken as LCM, so 27 minus 16 plus 25. So it will be 27 plus 9 by 9. That is equal to 36 by 9. That is equal to 4. Here in question number 18, it is talking about a rhombus whose diagonals are intersecting each other at O, and as you know diagonals of rectangle rhombus are perpendicular to each other. Cos CAB, this is CAB, mark it as theta, that is equal to cos theta is equal to 0.6, can be written as 6 by 10 or can be written as 3 by 5. And you have to find the value of OB is given. This is given 8 centimeter. It means this will be also 8 centimeter because diagonals of rhombus bisect each other. You have to find out length of BD, you have to find length of AC, and we have to find out length of AB. So solution set, your one answer has come. BD will be equal to twice OB, that is equal to 2 into 8, that is equal to 16 centimeter. And now we'll concentrate over this right triangle. Right triangle AOB, if you have to find out this one, and this is given. So for this theta, this is P and this is D. We'll use tan theta. Tan theta, we'll use this one, cos CAB. So cos CAB means cos theta is given B by H. For this angle, B is this much OA, and BH is how much AB. And this is given 3 by 5. So we'll consider OA is equal to 3K and AB is equal to 5K. And as you know, in right angle triangle, relation between AB, OA and OB is that if AB square minus OA square is done, then we are getting OB square, Pythagoras formula. So 5K square minus 3K square is giving you, OB length is given 864. So when you solve it, so it will come out as 16K square. 16K square is equal to 64. 4 times it will cancel. K square is equal to 4. K will come out as 2. So length of this OA that is equal to how much? 3K. It will be 3 into 2, that is equal to 6 centimeter. Hence length of AC, diagonal AC, will be twice of that. Twice of OA will be 12 centimeter. And side length AB is equal to how much? 5K we have considered. So it will be 5 into 2, that is equal to 10 centimeter. Now we are in question number 20. It's talking about a triangle ABC where AD is perpendicular to BC. This length BD is given 9 centimeter. Sine B is given. Sine B is here 0.10. Tan C, this tan C is given 1. And we have to find out length of AB. We have to find out length of AC. We have to find out length of AD. We have to find out length of DC. These values we have to find out. So what we'll do, we'll use sine theta, sine B. So right triangle ADB, if we are taking, then sine B is equal to 0.6, can be written as 6 by 10, can be written as 3 by 5. Therefore, this angle sine theta is P by H. So it is AD by AB. Then we will consider let AD is equal to 3K, AB is equal to 5K, and we'll make relation between this and this and this, Pythagoras formula. So what will happen? AB square minus AD square will come out as 9 whole square. So a 5K square minus this 3K square is equal to 81. Your 5K square is 25. It is 16K square. Sorry, this is given 8, 0.8. So we'll correct it to 8 by 10. So it will come out as 4 by 5. And this is 4K. This is 5K. So it will be 5K square minus 4K square. And that is equal to 81. So it will come out as 9K square. That is equal to 81. So 9 9 is 81. K square will come out as 9. Hence K will take positive value only 3. So after that we'll find out length of AD. So since AD we have marked as 4K. So it will be 4 into 3, that is equal to 12 centimeter. Then we'll find out AB. AB is given how much? 5K. So it will be 5 into 3, that is equal to 15 centimeter. So AB is known to us, AD is known to us. Now we have to find out this one. So we'll use this property. Tan C. Tan C, it is P by B. And for this angle C, P is AD. And B is how much? DC. And tan C is given as 1. So 1 is equal to AD by DC. It implies that AD will be equal to DC. And since we know the value of AD is equal to 12, so DC will be also 12 centimeter. Now we have to find out AC. So what we'll do, we'll use Pythagoras formula. AC will be root over this square, AD square plus DC square. AD square plus DC square. So AD already we know. AD is how much? 12 square. And DC is how much? DC now only we have calculated 12 square. So it is 288 after calculation. So it is 2 into 144. So take root over this. So it will be 12 root 2 centimeter.